If you want to create a hyperlink over text in GitHub, this is exactly how you're going to do it. All you have to do is to follow all of these steps. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. So you can see right here, I already have my hyperlink over my text. And if you want to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to open your repositories first. So you're going to head here at the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then from the drop down menu that'll appear, you're going to click on repositories. Now from the repositories page, you can see all of the repositories that you currently have. I'm going to click on this repository, and then from there it will take you to the information page of your repository, and then you will see this readme section. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this pencil icon right here. This is the edit file. You're just going to click on that. And then from here, I'm just going to delete this so I can show you how I did that. We're going to add this set of parentheses. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the text that you want to appear right here. So for example, I want this text to appear, your link here, or maybe click here, and then from there, we are going to add another set of parentheses, and then you're going to add a link that you want to lead, where you want to lead the audience. So for example, we're going to enter the link of YouTube. I'm just going to hit on copy for this one. Going to hit on copy, and then we are going to go back to GitHub. And I'm going to paste it right there, and then we're going to hit on enter. Now from here, we're going to click on commit changes. From there, we are going to just click on commit changes right here and then wait for it to be saved. Now, once that's saved, you will see this hyperlink right here that you can click and it will take you to youtube.com. And that's it. That is how you can create a hyperlink over text on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.